Hello, and welcome. I'm Carolyn. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself. Let's begin by allowing your body to be supported comfortably. Let your shoulders soften. Your face relax. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathing in gently and breathe out slowly. One more time. A soft inhale and a long, easy exhale. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Bring your awareness to this moment, right here, right now. Nothing to change, nothing to fix. Just arriving. Notice your breath, the gentle rise and fall. Notice your body resting, supported. Now gently begin to bring your attention to something simple, something small from your day. It may be the warmth of a cup of tea or coffee, a quiet moment in the morning, a kind word, a smile, a soft breeze, a glimpse of light. There is no need to search, just allowing something small to come to you. Notice this moment gently, as if you are seeing it again. The feeling of it, the simplicity of it. Now begin to feel into this moment, not thinking about it, but sensing it. What did it bring you? a sense of ease, a touch of comfort, a moment of calm. Let yourself receive that again. And gently allow a feeling of gratitude to arise. Soft, natural, unforced. Just a quiet appreciation. You may silently say, "Thank you for this moment. Thank you for this small gift. Thank you for this simple ease." Now gently expand your awareness, noticing that these small moments exist all around you, often unnoticed, quietly supporting your day. Little pockets of ease, little moments of light. You may begin to sense that there is more here than you realized, more to appreciate, more to receive. Let that awareness soften your heart. Now gently notice how your perspective begins to shift. Nothing outside has changed, and yet something within feels softer, more open. This is the quiet power of gratitude, a gentle turning toward what is already here, toward what is already enough. Let yourself rest in this feeling. For the next few breaths, simply rest, breathing in a sense of appreciation, breathing out a sense of ease. Let your body receive this. Let your mind soften. Now gently bring your awareness back to your breath. The natural rhythm of breathing in and breathing out. Feel your body resting here. And know that this gentle awareness, this appreciation, is always available to you. In the smallest moments, in the quiet spaces of your day. Take one more slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. And when you are ready, softly open your eyes. Thank you for being here and for allowing yourself to notice the quiet beauty within the day. Until next time, may peace be with you.